Food storage. How long can you keep milk, sweetened, condensed, commercially canned, opened? How long does a can of sweetened condensed milk last once opened? The precise answer depends to a large extent on storage conditions. Keep open sweetened condensed milk refrigerated and tightly covered. To maximize the shelf life of canned sweetened condensed milk after opening, covered open can tightly with a plastic wrap or lid, or with aluminum foil. How long does open canned sweetened condensed milk last in the refrigerator? Sweetened condensed milk that has been continuously refrigerated will keep for about 4 to 6 days. Is canned sweetened condensed milk safe to use after the expiration date on the package? Yes, provided it has been stored properly, the can or package is undamaged, and there are no signs of spoilage. See below. Commercially canned sweetened condensed milk will typically carry a best by, best if used by, best before, or best when used by date, but this is not a safety date. It is the manufacturer's estimate of how long the sweetened condensed milk will remain at peak quality. Can you freeze sweetened condensed milk? Freezing is not recommended, as the sweetened condensed milk will separate and become watery when thawed. How can you tell if canned sweetened condensed milk is bad or spoiled? The best way is to smell and look at the canned sweetened condensed milk. If the canned sweetened condensed milk develops an off odor, flavor or appearance, it should be discarded. Discard all canned sweetened condensed milk from cans that are leaking, rusting, bulging or severely dented. Please suggest what kind of food you want to know about. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share to support our channel.